Hello, are you struggling with MS Excel interview questions? And you have fear in your mind if somebody asks you to do some job in MS Excel, you may not be able to perform. Maybe you have applied for a promotion, but they are looking for advanced MS Excel skills. And you have the basic Excel skills and you do not know how to use the advanced Excel features to increase or enhance the work efficiency and how to do the job more quicker and smarter. So today you are here at the right place. Hello and welcome to this MS Excel Basics to Advanced Master class including VLOOKUP, pivot table, data cleaning, data mining, data strategy and data analysis. I have categorized this entire course into two sections. The first section for the people who have no idea about MS Excel. I'll cover with some of the basic concepts, some of the basic interface, some of the basic functions, and I will give you a quick tour or quick overview about each and every basic functions in more detail. And then we will move to the intermediate and advanced level while using the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot tables, 3D charts, timelines, slicer functions in MS Excel. And we will see how we can analyze the sales data more accurately, more effectively, and how we can increase the sales and generate more leads using this basics to advanced techniques in pivot table and VLOOKUP. I will cover most of the data analytics including the data cleaning, data mining, data structuring, pivot table, 3D charts, timelines, slicers, report connection, report building and data comparison within the two different files. I will tell you all the step-by-step secrets. Also, I will help you to prepare the interview questions for this MS Excel. I will also share some of the reports or the data sets with you which you can download and do the live practice along with this course. If you enroll for this course now, you will get the lifetime access. So do not wait for anything, just go ahead and enroll yourself for this MS Excel Basics to Advanced Masterclass for the sales professionals. I will see you inside the course. Thank you so much.